Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unfollow people on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open your Pinterest application. Then tap on the profile icon which is right next to notification icon. Then tap on following which is below your email. Select the person that you want to unfollow. Then simply tap on the following button. And this is how you can unfollow someone on Pinterest. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.